Hey everybody, Chris here. So is Dogecoin waking up? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And Dogecoin has been following this support resistance line at about 25.5 cents, but this morning moved up over 26 cents. Bitcoin coming up over 99,000. Why is that happening? What's the news on the charts look like? We'll take a look at that now. Show you what I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the current Dogecoin price, and it's over 26 cents. That's right. Doge has moved up over 26 cents this morning. Here's that 25.5 line. That was resistance. And we were watching on the live stream yesterday, and I predicted that we would be going up. That's right. We were looking at taking out some shorts. I'll show that in a little bit. Bitcoin now up over 99,000. Look at that big tail that came up. A big wick came up on Bitcoin to 98.8. That's right. During the live stream yesterday, I said we would see Bitcoin hit 98.8, taking out shorts, and that is what Bitcoin did. So overall, market is still a little bit boring, though. We haven't had that huge excitement yet. And here's an article that says why. The sky's the limit. Dogecoin stirs in its boring phase. That's right. I know some of you are still upset. You want to see, like, let's go, Dogecoin. It'll happen, though. Like I said last week, when you least expect it. That's when Dogecoin's going to go. So right now, yeah, it is kind of a boring phase. Things are kind of quiet overall. We've got possible good news coming up. Tim Stebbing says, as far as Such Pay and this Dogecoin integration, not quite yet. And it may not happen today. He said he got a little ahead of himself. Still trying to get all the T's crossed, the I's dotted. Not able to release the news yet, but Chris Pax is on the case, and I'll let you know as soon as I hear something what is going on that front. And as far as X money and whatever, I mean, that's just a big rumor. We'll see what happens there. But analysts are still forecasting a dramatic surge in Doge. Here's the too long, didn't read, TLDR. Dogecoin is currently in a boring phase reminiscent of its past calm periods. Despite the 31% drop in the last month, its long-term growth remains strong, boasting almost a 200% annual rise. That's right, from a year ago, February, Dogecoin's still up almost 200%. And people are like, oh, Dogecoin's dead. And it's just like, no, it's just not as high. I mean, that's how crypto works, right? You go on a big run and then it settles down a bit. And that's what we see. Analysts see potential for significant gains. Forecast of a rise to what, $1.30, even to $6. I mean, these are big numbers out there. I'm probably more on the lower end of that. Elliott wave theory enthusiasts view current patterns as part of a larger promising cycle. We showed that Elliott wave thing last week during a video that I made. Dogecoin has historically shown resilience with occasional dramatic surges. We know Dogecoin trades in these little narrow windows of time. When it goes crazy, that's the time you want to be in Dogecoin. So if you're bored now, Dogecoin's starting to wake up. You don't want to be out of your Doge right now. Again, not financial advice, but the current calm is seen by some as a precursor to another potential rally. The narrative of Dogecoin underlines its volatile but potentially rewarding nature in the cryptocurrency market. So what do we got? We've got Trader Allen here. He's like, look, if we look back to last summer, we've got this double bottom after a big run up that we had late February into March, right? Settled back down after the Bitcoin halving. And then we went through the summer. And remember last summer? Remember how boring it was? With some big little, big drops that came down? So we went on the big run after the November presidential election. And now what have we done? We've had some shakeouts, big drop down, the Trump tariff thing, scared a lot of people out, wiped out a lot of long leverage, double bottom. Is this what's next? Dogecoin might end the recent pullback with another double bottom. Doge formed an equal low double bottom in August to September 2024. Since then, Doge has had a huge rally. This was the big rally. Again, we're up 200% from where we were a year ago to now. We were up more, but I mean, that's how Dogecoin trades. Is this what is coming? Ali says, I talked about this on the live stream yesterday. It's like Ali like zoomed out again and made even a bigger symmetrical triangle, because we had one before that hit these bottoms. Remember that one? That was the symmetrical triangle that hit those bottoms. And guess what? Dogecoin started to break out, but then wasn't quite time yet and traded back in to the top part of that symmetrical. Now he's just made a bigger one. That's what happens, right, with technical. You just make a bigger one. Just remake your lines. And Trader Allen looks out and says, look, in a shorter period of time, we've got, on the 1 hour chart, we've got a symmetrical triangle as well with potential to break out. And guess what? Now it has. And he only made this, 4 o'clock this morning. So this was just about, I don't know, a few hours ago. Dogecoin was at 25.4 then, and now it's up over 26 cents. So this actually did play out, but you can't really draw these triangles on such a small time frame because they happen all the time. But, Alan does it. Good little diagram. And see, this is one of the problems that Dogecoin has right now, is you get these kind of articles. Dogecoin's journey from meme coin to real quote, and then money. Crazy but cool, says Elon Musk. I'm living the meme. Well, this isn't about Dogecoin. It's not about Dogecoin. And this whole article is about Dogecoin, and it isn't. It's about Doge. It's about DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency. Elon was at CPAC with Newsmax and had this interview, and he says, yeah, I'm becoming a meme. Yeah, pretty much. I'm just living the meme. It's just like living the dream, and there's living the meme. It's pretty much what's happening. I mean, Doge started out as a meme. Think about it. Now it's real. And he just goes on and on. He's talking about the Department of Government Efficiency. He's not talking about Dogecoin. And so that's some of the confusion that we have right now, is that, Doge started out as a meme. All this talk about Doge. I mean, it's good to have the name Doge out there, and kind of neat to hear all of these like news people just talking about Doge, even the White House talking about Doge. But it's not Dogecoin, right? And so there's some confusion there. It's like all these articles all about Doge this and Doge that, and they're not talking about Dogecoin. So when does Dogecoin come back into the lexicon? When does Dogecoin come back to be the main news item related to Doge? That is why Dogecoin is waking up, and that's what we're going to hear when the Dogecoin cryptocurrency takes off again. Dogecoin mania is back. Is it? Yeah. The Doge thing is, but we don't quite have the Dogecoin mania yet. Will the SEC approve an ETF for Elon Musk's favorite crypto? Well, Polymarket, still 75% chance now. We've had that for a week. We're just flatlining up here, 75%. That's a good sign. After the growth since the beginning of the year, the odds are looking good. We're going to get this Dogecoin ETF, but it's still probably not going to be until next fall. We talked about this the other day, where you got a bunch of analysts saying, oh, by Friday or early next week. And I'm just like, no, they're just farming for views, farming for clicks. That's not happening. It's going to take a little longer than that. It's going to take longer than that in order for us to get there. But for crypto enthusiasts, though, this will be a significant milestone, with the largest crypto asset manager backing the most popular meme coin. Underscores how far Dogecoin has come from a joke to a potential mainstream investment vehicle. That is what Dogecoin is going to become. Now, about this recent price increase, this is the Dogecoin heat map. And we said they were going to go after the shorts. And this morning, with this move up, the first move up early this morning, took out all these shorts. And then, just a little bit ago, up over 26 cents, taking out more shorts. Now, are these longs down here? And these are at like 24.8, 24.7, 24.7. Are we going to see Dogecoin dip down to take out some of those long leverage trades? Well, again, we will watch see what happens with Bitcoin. Again, in these slow times, Dogecoin generally follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up, not only took out the 28.8, or I'm sorry, the 98.8s we were looking at yesterday during the live stream, but now over 99, taking out more leverage, just right here at 99,144, $183 million in Bitcoin shorts taken out. So Bitcoin could settle back down below 98 and start taking out some of these longs. This is how it is on these very quiet, boring times. These ups and downs in this chop, it's just the market makers and the bots, right? Trading up and down, taking out shorts, taking out longs. Eventually, the leverage longs are going to give up. No, they won't. The gamblers are still gamblers. They're going to keep doing what they do. So this is what we have. Nice move up over 26, but yeah, as we see, settling down to 25.9 though, and it may settle back down. We'll see whether 25.5 holds as support this time. Join me on my next live stream Friday afternoon. We're going to have another Dogecoin giveaway. We got more giveaways coming on the live stream. Those are a lot of fun. Come and join there. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Is Dogecoin waking up? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.